My people, this is not TMC TV News, and my name is Omo Aluke Ajakaye. And you know, say for TMC TV News, we bring matter may affect everybody for Nigeria, and our voice now to say make Nigeria do better. And today we don't carry waka come Third Junction for Upper Sakpomba area. Yes, you know, say yesterday drivers carry waka enter street, protest, peaceful protest, sake of the diesel matter. Now we carry waka come here to know how the matter they be for diesel for here, how the diesel take they affect their business, how much they take they get the diesel for filling station, what are the price of diesel. Now one price have been a different price from different filling stations. Make una follow us waka.
My fellow Nigerians, the reason we protest yesterday is because of the issue of diesel. And not only issue of diesel, things are very, very expensive. To start with the masses, we came out yesterday, but so unfortunate, some group of vigilante army say we should stop the protest, that the government, they are working towards it. This is too cost to even buy a problem. You carry 1,000 go market, you know, if you buy anything. Now be the higher Nigeria currency. We the drivers, we come out yesterday because of diesel and 800 naira. Since they bomb me, I can't grow rich like this. I never seen something like that. May the government help the masses so that we will afford those things, so that we will see money they give our family.
As we do so now, diesel is too dear. We don't feel the user. If you buy only 4 liters now, you know this should take go 3 times. Come. I don't understand me now. You know what we find? Yesterday now we do peaceful demonstration. What we do yesterday for people, for the leader to help us beg the government. I don't understand me now. To beg them to carry diesel down. If you carry diesel down now, even things whether they buy for market too dear. The way it be to us, so it be for market people. If you can see all those stores now, if you go to price hotel now, they think dear because of the way the transport they carry and come.
Waiting they happen for Benin now. In January, Nigeria, we're not happy because why? Every day, all their problems they put on for drivers' body. With the buy ticket 800 naira, they take the work for revenue, and the drivers they buy and weller. And another thing again, diesel now, where they take the work now 800 naira per a liter. And if they want to work a day, full day, they will use 14,000-15,000 to work a day. How they go fit take get money, carry go house? All the old drivers they suffer. So we dey beg the federal government, Buhari himself, make he reduce the cost of the diesel, so that drivers when they work they pay revenue, make them see they happy, they see food, then they give children for house. If you find out now, many drivers they don't go drop motor, say they not fit use that diesel work again. Say that they find motor when they use fuel. So we dey beg them, make they help us, make they help the masses, because as we did so, our country be this, more not go thief. And now we get the diesel. Now we see they suffer for the diesel. They go carry our diesel, our fuel, everything, say they carry and go refine for another place. Election they come again now. Then they tell us make we go register for PVC. If we vote for them again, they go make us they suffer. We they vote for them, we they put them for power. Still here, they go still they suffer us. Now we get food, now we they suffer for food.
As you see this park now, most of us have sold their buses because of the cost of diesel. Now some have gone to farm. So in fact, it's bringing a stress to us. Now, we are paying tickets, normal, no reduction. Agboro are here, many things are collecting money from us while the diesel is going up. Yesterday I bought diesel at 800 naira for buffet there. Maybe he sold that according to how we bought. Likewise, other places there are selling 1,000. And some of the diesel are illustrated. Before you know, you don't got your injector damage. Now we are all surprised. We are begging federal government. We know that this thing that happened is not for Edo State, but we are begging them. Since I grow up to this age, this have ever come to this level, even fuel.
We are trying. Okay, how can a bus driver, a whole commercial bus that is applying the road to make sure government workers go to work? But I'm surprised, diesel is going to continue, they rise every day. Whether a government photo or now we masses photo, I don't know. So what I'm just trying to say is this: make our state governor, His Excellency, make it interfere for this matter. That protest was out of notice of the union. Union not here at all. Now driver where they ply the roads, Now just come out massively say they want block road. So we dey talk to them say make they no block road like that. Okay, if you are protesting now, there must be a sign or symbol say this is the reason why we dey protest. But to God be the glory, that of diesel e too cost. Driver wey dey stay line here na dey dey here since morning, they go buy ticket 800 naira to make sure say revenue complete for the state. They dey here since now. How many times they go for the journey? So abeg, yes 2 times, abeg make our excellency talk put diesel too cost. To make it come down 800 for ticket. We don't meet them. They say yes, they go dey buy that ticket. They go buy that ticket 800 naira. But diesel for them to buy too cost.
This problem of diesel, you see, they really affect us well. Because why? If you look at this diesel, I think before we end this 2022 where we did, so this diesel we buy 185, but as today we buy 800. So we know they use our fit they work. People where they burn out, they know they fit they work. We where they use this diesel to they work now. The thing they affect us badly. We know they fit they get money they carry they go out. That money where we take they carry, we just the mileage out. Because we know how the country be. That money never carry us. We look at the condition of the diesel. I beg, make government try, make them do something about this diesel. I beg.
The way the thing be now, we don't even know what they happen. As you are seeing now, the price of diesel now 800 naira per liter. So the bus drivers, they are suffering a lot. We know they feel they meet up again. Unlike the buses you are seeing now, some are diesel, some are fuel. Like those people mostly they use those diesel buses. So they do balance and carry. To even meet up with the owner of the bus, now problem for here now. So what you saw yesterday was people were trying to tell the government that we are suffering. We are not making any money again. So any money we will make now, it's like saying a diesel now we will go back, go take and buy diesel again to start work. And at the end of the day, we'll go with maybe 2,000. How can somebody feed with 2,000? When you in that money, you pay your house rent, your children's school fees, they are there. You take care of your family. So everything don't go up.
I so much thank everybody as soon as come meet us for here. As soon as come stand with us here because we have been suffering. Even self like this very particular time we are now today now with the position where we did, so we are suffering now in the essence of this diesel. Because if we use this diesel now, we have been using diesel a period of a time where they say diesel is 250 naira per liter. We use it, we get a little money, then we will still carry the money to house. We feed our children, we pay house rent, we pay school fees, do other things. So like today now, if somebody can be able to buy like diesel 1,000 naira per liter, then you combine it together, you will now see that the diesel you cannot gain it.
The diesel matter really is something they affect us as driver because the price not even this stable at all. If you go filling station now, some they sell 800, some they sell 1,000, some they sell 750. So no price control for the country at all. And yesterday when they even protest now, the thing affects many people when they go work. And people when supposed to take charge of this protest, when supposed to fight for the masses, now be labor. The labor that they're supposed to fight for the masses to bring the price of diesel. Because every day, even as we hear now, they say from some state now they say 1,000 naira for diesel. So the thing they affect us. Like here now, we will not increase our price. So we see they carry normal 100 naira for the shortest routes so far. So because all pocket may be the same. Maybe everybody feel afford the transportation of a thing. So what we want beg government, we say make government look into this matter, make them make sure say the diesel price come down.
Yesterday now we protest. Yesterday, driver protest yesterday because of the diesel. Because diesel now too high. Some people sell 800, some people sell 1,000. As it be now, we don't feel the work because if you hold 6,000 and say want to buy diesel, you'll be like saying now diesel we say now 1 gallon then you buy. Before from here go you don't go, diesel don't finish. Now it's cause the problem because it's supposed to that diesel is supposed to go down because it's too high for that.
Now they feel the work for here again. As we are talking, so we will buy diesel like 10,000 naira, we will get 11,000 naira again. If our motor life is poor, we not facing money to repair. Now small remain, everybody go pass the bus. The price of diesel is too much. We cannot afford the 1,000 naira now. We cannot afford the 1 liter. We cannot afford it. We are tired. Let the state government help us in this country. Everybody is dying gradually. Even me myself now since morning I have not eaten, but I have a boss. I can't even see money to shop. The diesel inside this vehicle is almost 10,000 naira. I cannot use it to work 10,000 naira. We are tired. You know, even if I have to go carry me go. If I buy this to 10,000, the girl could be. If I have to work, it could be 11,000 naira. I have wife and children at home. I can't even afford it. At least we will not increase our price. We don't receive money. Everybody are complaining. We don't see even the people we vote. It's the people that are wicked in us. That's the one to talk with us.
My people, you don't see how the matter they go. We don't come here for third junction. Chook mouth to the drivers. Tell us what happened yesterday. Then you tell us that diesel matter make them carry them come out. The price of diesel don't too high. It don't move from 400 and now it don't be 800. And they say tomorrow they feel wake up the price will be 1,000. So they don't call on government. Make government help them come solve this matter. Say some know where they see money to bring back to their family again. And some self now balance and carry that they do. They don't get money to balance the motor again. They don't call on government to help them, make them come to their aid and see say this diesel matter they solve. My name is Omo Aluke Ajakaye and this is TMC TV News.